Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can edit TikTok video on CapCut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application, and if you want to create TikTok video, we can use templates from CapCut. You just need to go to the templates section right here, and you'll be able to access a lot of templates you can use for your TikTok video. And for example, I'm just going to choose this template. Then we can click on use template and upload our own video to this template. Wait guys, I'm just going to pick random video from my device. I'm gonna go with this one for example, then click on next. Okay, and we can change the music and add more tags if you want, but I'm just going to leave it like that. And once you're ready to export this video, you can click on export. Okay, and you can also choose export without watermark to remove the TikTok watermark, and I'm just going to select this one and the video will be exported. Alright guys, and that's all the way to edit TikTok video using CapCut Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.